Hello dear learners, this is Dr. Sedupati, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So today the discussion explores about the evolution of big data. You know what is actually pre-big data era? In the early of 1960s to 1980s, relational databases, which is RDBMS like Oracle, SQL servers are dominated highly. Even though those structures are dominated, there are certain type of limitations, which are structured data only. Scalability issues with growing data volumes. And data warehouses introduced in 1990s centralized repositories or repositories for business intelligence, whereas those also have certain challenges like high implementation cost, slow processing for large data sets. And coming to birth of big data in the 2000s, basically which termed as a triggers, which is internet boom, e-commerce, social media, examples like Google, Yahoo, and sensor data from IoT devices. There are certain key milestones of birth of big data. During 2003, Google file system introduced for scalable storage for storing big data. And in the 2004, MapReduce concept introduced by Google for distributed processing. And in 2006, Hadoop was introduced by Yahoo, which democratized big data processing. And then coming to technological advancements of big data analytics. The Hadoop ecosystem, which includes HDFS for storing big data across systems, and MapReduce by Google for fast parallel processing, and tools like Hive, Pig, and HBase for querying and managing data. And then coming to some other tools like NoSQL format, which are MongoDB and Cassandra, which handles unstructured data. And Spark processes data faster using memory, and cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, which helps scale data very easily. And coming to impact across industries because of big data. In healthcare system, uses it to predict diseases and monitor patients. In retail industry, which uses customer data for better marketing and stock management. And in finance, uses it to detect fraud and assess credit risks. Whereas in smart cities, which uses data to manage traffic, save energy, and reduce wastages. And there are also certain type of case studies for big data analytics. Walmart improves based on their own case study supply chain with data. Netflix uses it to recommend shows based on user behavior. And coming to challenges and road ahead for the big data analytics. Basically, big data faces some key challenges. Privacy and compliance rules like GDPR must be followed. Different data sources make integration difficult. There is a shortage of skilled professionals in big data analytics. At the same time, new trends are emerging. Artificial intelligence and machine learning helps to extract deeper insight from big data. Edge computing technology allows faster real-time and data reprocessing. And quantum computing may boost big data power in the future. Definitely, quantum computing will play a big role in the future about analyzing big data. And summary and key takeaway from this discussion is like big data has come a long way from traditional structure-based RDBMS to modern scalable platforms. Technologies like Hadoop, Spark, and NoSQL changed how we store and analyze data. Big data now powers many industries from healthcare to retail. Looking ahead, the future is AI driven, real time, and built for high speed analytics. Thank you, dear learners, for your patient listening. I will, I will look forward you all in the upcoming videos with some other new topic. Thank you once again.